Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient for the proper functioning of the human body. It plays a fundamental role in the production of red blood cells, maintaining a healthy nervous system, and DNA synthesis. However, for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, it can be challenging to obtain sufficient amounts of this vitamin, since the main natural sources are animal-derived foods. It is important to closely follow every detail of this video because it offers valuable information on how vegetarian and vegan individuals can ensure adequate intake of vitamin B12. This information is crucial because a deficiency in this vitamin can lead to serious health problems, such as anemia, chronic fatigue, and neurological damage. By understanding the proper sources of vitamin B12 for plant-based diets, you can avoid these problems and maintain optimal health. The alternatives presented in the video, such as supplements, fortified foods, and unconventional natural sources, provide practical solutions to obtain the recommended amount of vitamin B12. Following these guidelines can reassure those who have chosen a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, ensuring that their nutritional needs are met properly. Furthermore, the video can clarify myths and misinformation about the availability of vitamin B12 in plant-based diets. Often, there is confusion and misinformation on this topic, which can lead to improper dietary choices and potential health problems. Paying close attention to this video can help dissipate these concerns and provide solid, evidence-based knowledge. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is one of the most important vitamins for our bodies. It is responsible for various vital functions such as red blood cell formation, maintenance of the nervous system, and DNA production. For vegetarians and vegans, obtaining adequate amounts of this vitamin can be a challenge, as the main natural sources are animal-derived foods such as meats, eggs, and dairy. Vitamin B12 deficiency can cause serious health problems, including anemia, chronic fatigue, neurological damage, and even dementia. Therefore, it is essential for vegetarians and vegans to be aware of proper sources of this vitamin to avoid such complications. One of the most popular options for obtaining vitamin B12 is through supplements. There are specific supplements of this vitamin available in capsules, tablets, or liquids. They can be found in health food stores, pharmacies, and supermarkets. Another source of vitamin B12 for vegetarians and vegans is fortified or enriched foods. Many soy-based products such as plant milks, yogurts, and cheeses are enriched with this vitamin during the manufacturing process. Additionally, some breakfast cereals, cereal bars, and other processed food options may also be fortified with vitamin B12. However, it is important to carefully read the labels to check for the presence and quantity of this vitamin in these foods. For those who prefer natural sources, some seaweeds such as nori and chlorella may contain small amounts of vitamin B12. However, the bioavailability of this vitamin from plant sources is questionable, and levels can vary greatly. Another natural option is traditional ferments, such as tempeh and soy sauce. During the fermentation process, some bacteria produce vitamin B12, which ends up being incorporated into these foods. It is important to note that, although these plant sources exist, the amount of vitamin B12 present may be insufficient to meet the recommended daily needs. Therefore, most experts recommend that vegetarians and vegans consume supplements or fortified foods to ensure adequate intake of this essential vitamin. The recommended daily amount of vitamin B12 varies according to age and life stage. For adults, the recommendation is 2.4 micrograms per day. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, needs increase to 2.6 and 2.8 micrograms, respectively. Another important consideration is that the ability to absorb vitamin B12 may decrease with age, especially after 50 years old. In this case, it may be necessary to increase intake or opt for more easily absorbable forms, such as sublingual supplements or injections. In addition to ensuring adequate intake of vitamin B12, it is essential to be aware of possible deficiency symptoms. These include constant fatigue, muscle weakness, tingling or numbness in the extremities, mental confusion, memory loss, and depression. If there is suspicion of deficiency, it is recommended to seek a healthcare professional to perform blood tests and assess the need for supplementation or appropriate treatment. For vegetarians and vegans, it is essential to always be mindful of vitamin B12 sources in the diet. While it is possible to obtain this vitamin from non-animal sources, it is important to understand that the amounts may be insufficient or of low bioavailability. Vitamin B12 supplementation is generally considered the safest and most effective option to ensure adequate levels of this vitamin in the body. However, it is always recommended to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation, especially in cases of pregnancy, breastfeeding, or underlying medical conditions. When adopting a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle, it is crucial to be well informed about nutritional needs and proper sources of all essential nutrients, including vitamin B12. With the right knowledge and guidance, it is possible to enjoy a healthy and balanced diet free from animal products without compromising health. In summary, vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient for the proper functioning of the body, and its deficiency can lead to serious health problems. For vegetarians and vegans, obtaining adequate amounts of this vitamin can be challenging, as the main sources are animal-derived. However, there are several options available to ensure sufficient intake of vitamin B12 in a plant-based diet. Specific B12 supplements are a practical and reliable choice, providing the recommended amounts of this vitamin in a form easily absorbed by the body. In addition to supplements, foods enriched or fortified with vitamin B12, such as soy products and some cereals, can also contribute to the necessary daily intake. Although there are natural sources such as algae and fermented foods, their bioavailability and B12 content can vary considerably. It is crucial to be aware of symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, such as chronic fatigue, neurological problems, and anemia, and seek professional guidance to assess the need for supplementation or appropriate treatment. When following a vegetarian or vegan diet, it is essential to be well informed about nutritional needs and proper sources of all essential nutrients, including vitamin B12. With the right knowledge and guidance, it is possible to enjoy a healthy and balanced diet, free from animal products, without compromising health. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to like and subscribe to the Gigantic Suplementos channel. There, you will find more valuable content about nutrition, health, and wellness, always with reliable and evidence-based information.